First time brother and sister going down the hill without dad going to the top. First unassisted run. Stop! Foot keeps hitting the same wipeout spots. Gets back up. Here she comes. That's why you gotta ski right to the lift. You gotta start slowing down so you can get right back on. You don't have to fight to get you back up there. Go to the lift. Good job.